Going here, I think it's a really interesting question. How can I get enough subs and watch time to qualify for monetization as a vlogger? So I'm guessing newer channels getting into vlogs, wondering basically how to break through.
Yeah. So, when you're first starting out and you're trying to be a vlog channel, you just can't be only a vlog channel. You have to figure out how to incorporate teachable moments or moments where you provide value to the audience, the viewer. People, here's the thing. I tell you guys all the time, YouTube is the number 2 largest search engine in the world. So a lot of people who come to YouTube are looking for answers to questions that they have. So if you're trying to build a YouTube channel, especially if you're a new creator and you're just starting out, you have to provide value to a viewer. Why should someone click on your video? It ain't going to be because you're vlogging about your day. You better be teaching them how to do something throughout that day or teaching them a different skill that they might not have had before they clicked on your video. You can still incorporate vlogging into that, but you got to be providing some type of value, teaching them something or doing something that just gives the audience something that they did not have before they clicked on your video. Do that, and the sky's the limit.
Trending topics too. I mean, if there was, let's just make up a challenge right now. So let's say it's the hot sauce challenge, right? So let's just say this theoretical challenge was trending all over YouTube. As a vlog channel, I think what you could do is make a video entitled "I took the hot sauce challenge and failed miserably," right? So clickable, it's trending, clickable title. Maybe it's a clickable thumbnail of hot sauce all over your mouth, and it's a whole thing. So I think that's a cool video, and I can't tell you how many videos like that I've clicked on where it definitely does not start out as if the person on camera even knows they're going to take a hot sauce challenge that day. But they told me in the title and the thumbnail they're going to. And what I like about this person is that they're drawing me in with these storytelling elements. You've probably seen this on vlog channels where they have really cool B-roll shots opening up, some nice chill music. They're already kind of talking in the background, like, and they're getting started with their day. Maybe they're on their way to the store. And when they get to the store, that's when you start to realize the pieces are coming together, right? They see the hot sauce shelf and they're like, oh yeah, isn't there like a challenge right now? Well, this ghost pepper one looks like it'll kill me, so I'm gonna buy this, And you can tell a story. You can have a video be about one thing. It's about this trending challenge, but you as a vlogger just approached it differently than maybe somebody else would have. So I think as a vlog channel, as any channel, you want to give your spin to something, but it's always super important to make the video title and thumbnail very clear in what it's about. In the crux of this video, you take this challenge. It might not happen right away. And if you're worried about people dropping off at the beginning, maybe you tease it, a little coming soon clip or whatever. But those are the things that get people to click. You don't want to confuse people by saying, I went to the store, and then there's a bunch of things in your thumbnail of like, different things you saw on the aisles and, what's this video about? Why should I watch? So I want to see someone take this really popular hot sauce challenge, and that's what you've told me I'm going to see. And as long as you deliver on that somewhere in the video, you're good.
You can also start it off in a kind of Shane Dawson-esque way, where in the first 10, 15 seconds, you kind of have flashbacks to middle of the video. That way it's like, oh, this happened, and then you kind of rewind to the start of the day. That way you've kind of shown to the title, to the thumbnail, look, it's in here. Just wait till we get there. And then that kind of helps retention in the long run as well.
Right. Yeah. A teaser of some kind, just showing maybe it's the part where you took your first hit of hot sauce and you're running to the fridge to find milk. So you're holding the camera like under your face and you're just gagging, you're struggling, and that's how the video starts. And so it's already entertaining. It's already like, what is going on here? And then the chill music comes in, and you're just this version of you hasn't even bought the hot sauce yet. I want to see this video, by the way, that I've made up.